To make the pizza base, we will need 6 cups of whole wheat flour, 6 tablespoons of suji rava, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Instead of refined oil, I am using nut butters in my recipe. So this is homemade peanut butter. Look how flowy it is. You can make very easily at home. Then I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I am using Himalayan pink rock salt, 3 teaspoon of jaggery powder, 3 teaspoon of yeast, and 2 1/4 cup of warm water. Warm water is required to activate the yeast. So let's make the dough. Here goes the suji rava. Then we will add the salt, jaggery powder, yeast, peanut butter. I am taking 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Before we add the water, let's mix all these ingredients. Now let's add the water little by little. We'll allow it to rest for 1.5 hours. We'll not cover it airtight. We'll just cover it with a lid like this. Our pizza dough is ready. Let's knead it first and then make pizza rolls or pieces from which we will be rolling the pizza bread. Since we are not using maida, this is little bit on the harder side but also on the healthier side. It's not as fluffy, maybe little difficult to work with, also because the quantity is more. Instead of taking 6 cups of flour, you can make this dough with 2 cups and reduce other things proportionately. Then it will be not this difficult to handle because we are a family of 4. This will make at least 8 to 9 pizza breads. This is the size of the our piece from which we will roll the pizza bread. So we will roll this like a normal chapati only. Then put it on the plate, and now with the rolling pin we will roll it. So we are making a fluffy thick crust pizza. So this is the size of the pizza we are going to make. Now with the help of fork we will make holes like this, so that when the pizza is getting cooked or baked, it doesn't become like a balloon. So this is one of the breads. We have taken out the tray from the oven. The oven was preheated. Now we can either use butter paper or we can use simple A4 size papers. So I am using A4 size papers, and I will be greasing this paper with oil, and then it will become like a butter paper. The tray is hot, so be careful when you are greasing. Now we will place our pizza breads and place the baking tray inside the oven. We will bake the pizzas in the middle rack at 180 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Our pizza bread are cooked. Now let's transfer them to a plate. For toppings, I have taken broccoli, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, baby corn. You can use toppings of your choice. The vegetables have been cooking for 10 minutes on low flame and they have cooked nicely. So now let's switch off the gas. Now let's apply pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, vegan mozzarella cheese and toppings on our pizza bread. Let's apply the mozzarella cheese. This cheese is made out of cashew. It's a vegan mozzarella cheese, so it doesn't have that stretchy feeling, but yeah, little bit kind of texture is there and taste is really almost similar to the dairy or non-vegan mozzarella cheese. So we will apply it evenly and spread it with the spoon. The recipe of the mozzarella cheese I'll be placing in the description box, so check it out and try making yourself. Also, if you know any better recipe of vegan mozzarella cheese, then please share it in the comment section. I will also try it out. Now let's place toppings. You can just sprinkle the toppings like this and your veggie pizza is ready with the mozzarella cheese, vegan mozzarella cheese. Now this pizza I'll keep it as it is because my daughter doesn't like any vegetables added on the pizza. Otherwise she likes vegetables, but on pizza she doesn't like the vegetables, so I'll keep one for her and one for us. So now let's cut the pizza. So this is our vegan pizza made with vegan mozzarella cheese. Now let's garnish it with some pizza seasoning and dig in. It's delicious. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you.